Hi, I'm Allie, and this is Marcus. Is your car full of dog hair? Super Car Wash Detailing, located in downtown Milton, helps dog owners get the dog hair out of their cars. In fact, Super Car Wash Detailing has been specializing in upholstery cleaning and dog hair removal since 1993. They use a powerful drum vacuum that has 10 times the suction of any regular shop vacuum, and they use a cyclo brush system to lift embedded dog hairs. They can handle your car's dog hair, no matter how much dog hair you have. The best part is that they don't charge extra for dog hair. That's right, you can book your complete detail online with a confirmed appointment at supercarwash.ca, and the complete detail price is all you will pay. No extra charges, no matter how much dog hair. So don't worry, take your Marcus with you everywhere you go and let Super Car Wash Detailing take care of all that dog hair love.